In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync music beats to your video cuts. If you've ever felt like your edit is almost there, but just needs that satisfying snap where every cut lands on a beat, this is for you. We'll keep it simple and practical so you can apply it in any major editing app. First, bring your music into the project and place it right on the timeline. Just drag your audio track into the timeline onto an audio layer beneath your video. This gets the song visually lined up with your footage so you can work with it in context. Make sure you're seeing the waveform on that track because that visual shape is what we'll use to find the beats. Next, make those beats obvious. Expand the audio waveform so it's easier to read. You can increase the track height and zoom in a bit along the timeline. You're looking for clear peaks in the waveform. Taller, sharper spikes usually indicate kick drums or strong beats. Hit play and listen while watching the waveform move. You'll quickly connect what you hear with what you see. When you spot a repeating pattern of spikes, you've likely found the song's driving rhythm. Now, mark the key moments in your video. As you watch your edit, press M to drop markers at important points, cuts, transitions, reveals, or any accent you want to hit with the music. Think of these markers as signposts telling the music where you want emphasis. You can add them while playing back in real time or by scrubbing frame by frame to place them with precision. The goal is to map out your visual moments first so the music can be shaped around them. Finally, align the music to those markers. Grab the music track and drag it left or right so the waveform peaks line up with your markers. Start with the most obvious, strongest beats and match those to your most important markers. For finer control, nudge the track a frame at a time to really lock things in. Once a few anchor beats are aligned, play through and see how the rest of the song's rhythm lands. Often, large sections will naturally fall into place. If something feels a hair late or early, make tiny shifts until it clicks. Give it a full playback to confirm the energy lands where you want it. And that's it. Import your music, find the key beats, add clear markers, and align the peaks to the